So there's 31 people, and 2 people are going to be selected for president and vice president. So there's 2 people that need to be picked, right? There's 31 different ways of picking that first person. And then there's only 30 ways left to pick the second person, because once you've picked a president, then there's 30 different ways of picking the vice president. Or you could do that in the other order. You could switch them. You know, pick the vice president first, then there's only 30 different people left to pick for president. So 31 times 30 makes 930 different ways. Okay, so heads up on this one, and on any of the playlist questions, because I think they're poorly phrased. In Newton, they're saying that the order the songs come in the playlist does not matter. Okay, so they're saying the word combinations. So that's kind of the key word. Usually when we think of a song playlist, like the song that comes up first has a different level of importance than the song that comes up last, right? But in this case, Newton is saying that the order does not matter. And the other key word here is the combinations. If you see that word combinations, they're trying to say use the combination formula. But I want to give you a heads up because, I put in a report to Newton so that hopefully they get it fixed. But I know that'd be frustrating to get that one wrong, because I actually got it wrong the first time because I thought they meant order mattered here. But anyway, there are 7 different items to pick from, and we're making a smaller group. We're picking 5 items, so R is 5. So up top, that's 7 times 6 times 5 factorial. And now the 5s can cancel. So 7 times 6, 42, right? Right? Okay, yeah. And then got 2 factorial on the bottom, which just is 2 times 1 is just 2. So it gives us 21. There's 21 different ways if the order of the playlist does not matter. Frank's choosing 7 colors out of 10. So the order doesn't matter, because once you have your colors, they're all lined up. And the other key word here is combinations. Combinations formula looks like this. That's just the function notation. It's n factorial over r factorial n minus r. That will tell you the number of different ways they can pick 7 colors from that group of 10. So plug in the numbers where they're supposed to go. There's 10 to choose from, making a smaller group of 7. So this is 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 factorial over 7 factorial, and then 10 minus 7 makes 3 factorial. So the 7s cancel. So up top we have 10 times 9 times 8, that makes 720. And on the bottom we have 3 times 2 times 1, so that makes 6. That makes 120 different ways of picking those colors.